My son's probation officer was very helpful. He explained things to us and told us what we need to do.
I wanted my daughter to do what the court ordered, so I listened to the probation officer also.
My experience with my son's probation officer went very well. He's very helpful.
When your child is on probation, a juvenile probation officer, or JPO, is assigned to him and is responsible for supervising him, making sure he follows any orders of the court.
The JPO also recommends to the court conditions of probation such as paying back the victim, random drug tests, evaluations, counseling, and community-based services.
His probation officer's duties and responsibilities were to make sure that he found in mentoring, explained to my son how serious his offense was. So he was a mentor for him, and he came to school and check up on him. He did above and beyond his duties.
My son's probation officer told me to go to the state judicial website. I went to the site and read about juvenile probation and detention. There was a lot of information. I wish I had known about the website before all this happened, when I was looking for help and I had no idea where to go.
Before he referred me to anything, he first found out what I was already doing. He suggested things I needed to do, the fact that she was a runaway, you know, take her to the clinic, have her checked, have her drug tested. He also let me know what else was out there that I could reach out to.
The court, however, will make the final decision on any court orders, including how long your child will be on probation.
This decision is based on many pieces of information gathered by the JPO, including a thorough interview with you and your child, and looking at your child's needs and strengths.
The JPO will meet with your child as needed, focusing on helping your child follow court orders and make lasting changes.
We probably saw the probation officer about once a month. He helped us with the appointments to keep them updated so that we could help our grandson do the things he was supposed to do.
She would pop up at school, make sure she's there. She would call me to make sure she met her curfew. And she would also, talk to my daughter, to find out, have her come visit. You have to go see them once a week or whenever they want you to. Let them know what's going on with you, like whether it's positive or negative.
The JPO will also reach out to the family and support system to help motivate the child to engage in positive social activities while avoiding negative activities.
I would say listening to the probation officer is really important. He kept us in the loop and really wanted to hear from us. So
the probation officer, they know a lot about the system, a lot. Speak up. Do not be afraid to ask for help.
The JPO can refer children and their families to many different types of services, which won't cost you anything. There are many services offered by the state of Connecticut and agencies affiliated with the state, as well as community organizations.
My son was getting out of control. I tried everything. Being involved with the court system is scary at first, but everyone helped him get the help he needed, that we both needed, in order for us to get our lives back on track.
The advice that I have for parents whose children are on probation as far as success is, it takes more than just the child to be successful. You just have to really want it. And not only does the child have to want it, we as parents, we have to want it, and we have to promote it, and it will happen. It's a process.
The one thing I would say is advocating for children in any situation has to be taken very serious. They are people, and they should not be considered numbers, files, closed cases.
I feel like parents have to take the steps to be that strength and be that power and be that backbone for their children. To parents that don't take the time out to be there for their children, that you don't understand the damage that you're doing to not only your children but to your community.
Si yo no fuera la madre que yo soy hoy para mi hijo tuviera o toda su vida preso, muerto, y lo que yo digo es que nunca va a pasar porque yo estoy ahí.
Well, it was a relief to know that this experience hasn't defined our son and that he can move on from this.
This experience has taught us all a lot, I think.
Yeah.
What did I learn, and what could I share with other parents? You're not alone. You can get the help you need.
At first, I was frustrated and didn't want anything to do with it. But I realized I had to be involved. My son needs me. He's just a kid, and we'll get through this together.